In this video, I'm going to show you how to register for classes using MyCommNet. Before we begin, you must have your student ID number and password. Begin at mycommnet.edu and log in using your NetID and password. Your NetID will be the 8 digits of your student ID number followed by @student.commnet.edu. After you log into MyCommNet, navigate to the banner Student and Faculty Self-Service portal on the right-hand side. If you have attended more than one community college, you will then be prompted to select the community college you wish to register for. From there, select Registration/Schedule. Then click on the box that says Class Registration. You will be prompted to select a term. Once you select the appropriate term, hit Submit. You will then be taken to this screen. If you know the course registration numbers, or CRNs, you can input them into the boxes along the bottom and hit Submit Changes. If you do not know the CRNs, you will need to search for them. You can search for the courses you need by hitting Course Search and selecting the subject you want to search for. Once you select a subject, it will take you to the course options for that subject. Select View Selections for the course you are looking for, and it will show you all the available courses. Once you select the exact course you want, select Add to Worksheet. Complete this process until you have all the courses you want and hit Submit Changes. You will then be directed to a page that shows you are registered for courses. Congratulations! You are now registered for your classes. We encourage you to be in contact with your advisor to make sure your courses are the correct ones. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out to them.